Well, today we're going on a hike. We're going to Bear Canyon here in the Tucson area. It's about a 7-mile round trip from where we're parked here, and it's going to be beautiful. It's about 7:20 in the morning.
So, what day is today?
Today is
May 1st?
The 1st of May.
Today we have to get our Half Dome permits.
That's
so
right.
People that go on Half Dome with us, be sure to call the phone number. Now we're just going to follow this trail. Where is Bear Canyon? Is that
Bear
canyon?
Canyon is just to the right. It kind of heads east, kind of northeast. You can't really see the ridge over there, but there's a lower ridge. We're going to be in a canyon, kind of going up next to those craggy peaks. We'll be below those peaks, heading kind of northeast that way along that canyon. You know, you think the canyon's kind of going straight, but no, it's going to the right, up into the mountains that way.
All right, looks beautiful.
The first mile we're not into the canyon, but after that we'll be up in there.
I got my Garmin on. I got my walking stick. We're good to go. The girls are way ahead of us.
We'll catch up though.
We have Dr. Max here performing surgery. Carla bumped into a cactus.
30 seconds into the hike. I know, good thing you did.
You soak your hand in like saline, like hot water when you get back, and kind of like scrub it. I mean, that's something.
Thank you. I think it's much better. You did a great job. Thank you. I'm so glad that he still has his eyesight.
Yeah.
Yes, one of us.
Yeah, I'm still under 50, you guys.
The youngest of us can still see.
2.5 more years. I have to go pee. Good, there's still water. It's a little bit less than last week, but yeah. I think it's definitely less.
And there is a lot of purple colors like. Good, Max. This pack is heavier.
See, that's the canyon we're going in. It heads that way.
Where's the canyon? This is the canyon right over here, right?
That way. It heads kind of to the northeast. And this is Blackett's Ridge. I've been to the top of that like 2 or 3 times. You climb up from that end, and then it goes to where you just can't go anymore. See the rocky crags at the end? You just have to stop because there's no way down.
Do you have a hiking friend, or do you do a lot of
I
hiking?
did, but when I used to look at the sand limits for exercise, there's 2 guys there that I hiked with. One guy was like a real hiking enthusiast, you know, that kind of got me into it, you know. We went on little walks, half a mile. I'm getting used to it, it's okay, but it's like, you know, it's not my fault. No, I want to just be able to, like, go around and build my relationship. I mean, that's how we all do it. Okay, well, we just arrived where you can have a good view of Bear Canyon right here. You can see the trail. It kind of starts narrowing down and kind of winds around, and there's supposed to be this area called 7 Falls at the end, and that's kind of our goal. It's called 7 Falls. We'll see if there's really any water there. But I know right now there is some water running in the creek, and I figure it's about a little under 3 miles from where we are right now.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Bear Canyon.
Bear Canyon.
What kind of cactus is that, Max?
Saguaro.
Saguaro?
Saguaro.
They're big. Cactus.
You get it?
Yeah.
And then right down here, it's like really cool little spot.
Max, you gonna get your feet wet?
to heaven. I don't know. What is it? It's something about
The eye
the
of
eye
the
of the
needle,
needle.
which is
The
there.
camel through the eye of the needle, like right up there.
That's called the eye of the needle. Looks like a little needle.
That looks like the head of a needle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like a channel here. Yeah, that's the top of Blackett's Ridge. Like, remember, you're on top, and you get to the end, and then it just skips out. Does that have sound? Oh yeah, yeah. Well, that's where we're going for the sunrise. That's Seven Falls.
Yeah.
That's just great. Yeah, it just goes up to nothing. If you prefer. Yeah, you can actually see it. Yeah, you're right. There's the trail. It's across.
And you know, it might wrap around once you go.
Yeah, can you imagine going up there? Thanks.
Sure.
Yeah, you can definitely see the cut over the side. You see it? The trail, how it puts across right there. See it? It's kind of slight. The Seven Falls at the end of the, well, this is the end of how far we're going, but the trail keeps going on for miles and miles. This is Seven Falls, and it's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but there's like the falls go way down into a crag, really deep down in here, and then there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 falls right in this area here. It's just awesome, beautiful. I want to go down to that bottom one and then just climb up all the way, and then I'm going to get in the water, I think, too, brave it.
Okay, just one this way.
Beautiful.
But you see down here, look, there's a crag really deep down there.
Yeah, I want to see that. We can't see that from here. Almost there.
Well, we made it to the end of Seven Falls, Bear Canyon Trail. It's just even more beautiful than I thought it was going to be. It's gorgeous where the water comes down over the rocks and just all up and down this whole area. Look back there if you keep the camera back up there.
How many miles is this, Max?
From the car, about 3.6 miles. So I figure a little over 7 miles round trip.
Pretty awesome. 7 miles round trip. Piece of cake.
The trail was really easy.
So we're doing the Half Dome problem solving trip here. We've got many details to iron out. I'll probably cut all that out.
You'll be able to manipulate the speed of that and everything too, right?
Yeah, we'll like put the slow-mo on there.
How we can get down there? I don't know if we can.
If it was deeper, we could jump.
off on the way by. You might be able to climb down that way.
What do you think, brother?
It's one of the nicest spots around. It's all the trails. Water is always a good thing to have. Behind you too. Look at the switchbacks.
Switchbacks?
The switchbacks?
What about up front?
Oh, this is gorgeous, huh?
Well, we are up, how many falls? This is 7 altogether that we have to climb?
It's supposed to be 7. 7 falls.
Well, I counted 5. But we're running out of climbing space here.
Yeah, I don't
To
know.
get where we are, we had to scale a rock face.
I don't think we can go down there because then to get back up, I don't know.
Get back up, we need
You'd have to dive in. It's pretty deep though.
we could dive in, huh?
I think we could from like. But
Need
then
it.
how could the water build up any deeper? I don't know because it would just go off right there.
But these mountains are
Isn't it
beautiful.
gorgeous? Yeah, and the trail, there's a trail right just below that up in there. I wonder where you can see it. I wish you could just like fly over to there and just start. Hi, well we've made it. Just a little over 7 miles round trip to 7 Falls up Bear Canyon. Elevation change, I think our highest elevation change was about 800 feet, so it wasn't a really strenuous hike, height-wise, but it was, it's warm now. We had a beautiful wind in the canyon, so it kept us cool.
Beautiful
It
waterfall.
was just a beautiful waterfall. It was one of the nicest places in Tucson.
What did you think, Carla?
Beautiful day. I think this is my favorite hike yet.
Mine too. I think those pools were just amazing. And how they carved those little pools in the solid granite.
Yeah, in the solid granite, yeah. The way they smoothed the rock over and the falls coming down. It was gorgeous.
Well, according to the GPS, we went 7.19 miles. Moving time 3 hours and 12 minutes. Max speed of 5.7 miles an hour.
And we actually, how much time, actual time? It's now 12:40. We left the car about 7:20 in the morning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so 5 hours and 20 minutes.
Okay, let's get a group shot. Everybody get in here. Hopefully this is us.
Yeah, to
We did
Half
it.
Dome.
We'll see you in Half Dome.
Sick of us guys walking down.
Meredith's going to be so upset she doesn't.
Where are we, Max?
We're on the top of Mount Lemon. You can actually drive all the way to the top.
What's that?
And like it's May 1st and there's still a ton of snow. This is unusual though. All this snow up here still.
Crazy.
Now we're pretty much on the top of the mountain now. That big flat part that you see, and you can hike around up in here. We just pull off and walk and just see the view down here. And there's a trail that starts off out over there. Look at the city down below. And like the canyons that we walked up are down below down there.
I can't believe there's so much snow. So that's Tucson. Down there. Where's Tucson?
That's
Right
Tucson
there.
down there.
That's
The
crazy.
east side.
And then, this is way the east side. It goes way west. We lived way that way to the west.
How could there be so much
like-
snow in Tucson, Arizona in May 1st?
May 1st, yeah. We're in
Carla
Tucson.
and I are freezing.
And then I think Bear
I'm just
Canyon is
going-
like down there somewhere, guys.
Not really possible, but the altitude is like 10,000 feet, isn't it?
9,100.
9,100. And the canyon that we just hiked, Bear Canyon, is down there. And you have those saguaros and all the cactuses. But now we're in these forests, these trees everywhere. Very interesting. Lena, what do you got? You got a snowball.
Look at Mount Wrightston.
Get Max with that.
Don't you dare.
Oh, Max.
See Mount Wrightston? Way over there? Now that peak, the pointy part, is actually like 250 feet higher than this. Actually 300 feet because it's 9,400 and this is 91. So that peak is 300 feet higher than
What's the name of that? Mount Wrightston?
Wrightston.
Mount
Wrightston. And you drive up the little valley, the gully in between the two peaks, and then you park at about 4,500 feet, and then you hike the rest of the way. It's about a 10-mile ride.
Crazy.
Your car smells, huh? What is the black?
Grab a blanket, Max.
We take all his clothes.
We got your jacket. Carla's got Max's jacket. I got a sweater. We thought it was going to be 100 degrees. Worried about bringing enough water, ice water, and beverages. They have a ski lodge. Some beautiful mountains.
Look at that. Like all those canyons, I don't know for sure if that's That could be like Sabino. I think that's probably Sabino Canyon right there, where the shadows are. And then on the other side of that could be Bear Canyon. But I could be completely wrong, because I don't know for sure. But this is a this is a nice little walk. If you keep going, you walk and you end up at this little cabin that's like perched out on these rocks, just like a gulf down below you. And it's just this like wide open chasm that, you know. What? It's the vagabonds.
What's that? Is that a bathroom or is that a cabin up there?
It's a fire lookout station. Fire station.
Oh, right there?
And one time we walked up there
No,
and the
it's
guy was there.
Not this one.
And he told us all, he invited us in, he showed us all the equipment, how they gauge where the fire is, and he showed us all his equipment. And you're down below and you have to walk up this craggy rocks to get to the cabin that's perched out on the rocks. And you have to ring a bell. There's like a old frying pan with a spoon and you go bang, bang, you know, and then you walk up. You feel like you're going into this little elemental world of this, some elemental gnome guy that lives up in the cabin, you know.
Hey, Carla,
Yeah?
are you ready?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
We'll tell you when you turn on the camera.
Okay. You can see people going up the ski lodge there.
We're having a little dialogue out here. Oh, I didn't read down here. Can you believe that?
Where are we? Where is this?
This is Mount Lemon Ski Lodge. And, you know, there's a little ski entrance thing over there. You can actually buy clothing and ski goods over here.
And this, what is that? The tram?
Yeah, it's a ski lift. There's actually a ski lift in Tucson above on the mountain. And
Crazy.
if you pay $10, you can take a little ride up there.
Let's do that another time.
It's a pretty steep little hill right there.
Nice little slow ride all the way up.
As you can see, perched way up, you can't really, I don't know if the camera's going to see it, but way over there, there's this little cabin sitting right up on where the slope of the mountain comes out. There's a little building, you can just barely make it out up over there. Can you guys see it?
I don't see it.
Can you see it? Follow the far ridge coming down, that's Mount Lemon, and then right at the very end, there's like a little nodule that sticks out. That's a little building that sticks out and looks out over this huge valley that goes way down. And that's where we could have hiked to. We were just up there. We parked right there.
Crazy.
Where we were.
There's snow everywhere. Way down there.
You just walk a little further down and
Tucson.
cabin up there. Okay.